Hello and welcome to this short video detailing the features and facilities of the new Andrea Communications ANR-950 headphone. The reason for this presentation is simply because I've had so many requests to outline the features and facilities of this new headphone, which really are truly amazing. So, what does the Andrea ANR-950 headphone offer? Well, first of all, it's an active noise reduction headphone, so it actually cuts down the amount of background noise that you might get when you're trying to listen to something. It has very comfortable hearing aid friendly ear cups, and what I mean by that is that if you look at these ear cups, you'll see that they are quite large and they fit completely over the ear. But we have also tried them with several different hearing aids and they still work very well indeed. One nice feature, although essentially it is a headset, it has a built-in microphone, but that's really a very small microphone which is really intended just to take incoming phone calls. It has two on-off switches, one for the ANR system and one for the headphone, and I'll show you a little bit more information about that very shortly. The ear cups actually fold flat, so they're easy to store. As I said earlier, they're over the ear cups, so they are very, very comfortable as well. I've had a few people ask me if I would kindly explain all the buttons and indicators, etc. on the ANR-950. So I've tried to do that here. Firstly, I would like to say that all the controls are on one headphone unit, and that's the right ear cup. There is only one way that you can put this headphone on. The ear cups are labelled right and left. Basically, I've numbered them, so if we go along, you can see that number 1 is the on-off button for the ANR system. So when you operate this button, the indicator light on 4 will go green, so that you know that's switched on or off. Number 2 is the USB charging socket. Then as we move along, number 3, that is a 3.5mm socket. The headphone comes complete with a wire as well, so that you can plug it into, for example, an in-flight entertainment system on an aircraft. Number 4 is the actual LED indicator, and that has several modes. I will show those on the next slide. So we move along to button number 5. That is the down button, the volume down button. If you give it a long press, or if you're playing music, iTunes or something like that, then a short press will move the track down. Number 6 is the main on-off button for the headphone. You also need number 6, the button number 6, to pair the unit first time. The first time you use it, you'll have to pair it with the device that you want to play it through. So you simply hold that button down for about 3 seconds and it goes into pairing mode if it's not already paired with that device. Button number 7 is the volume up button. So if you press it, a long press will move the volume up. Again, if you're playing music tracks from a phone, for example, then it will move the track up. It's the plus button, so it moves the track up. The extreme right, you'll see there's a very small hole, and that is the pinhole microphone. There's no boom or anything, it just uses that little microphone built into that little hole, and number 8. As I mentioned earlier, I would show you what all the LED indications do and what those different colours represent. So the LED indicator is at position 4 on this diagram. If that's showing green, then you know that the ANR automatic noise reduction system is turned on, and that's turned on by button 1 in the diagram. If you plug the USB charging cable into socket 2, then that indicator will show red, showing you that it's charging the internal battery of the headphone. When that indicator goes out, basically to nothing, you know that the unit is fully charged. When you put the headphone into pairing mode by pushing button 6, then that LED will flash blue and red, constantly blue and red, until it's actually paired with the device you're trying to pair it to, and then it will go to a constant flashing blue. You then know it's paired. I hope that explains all the indicators on the ANR-950 for you. I've shown here the purchasing and quoting options. Firstly, the units can be purchased directly via the Andrea Communications website, and the URL is shown here. They can be purchased via an authorised Andrea Communications distributor or reseller worldwide, and the list once again is also on our website. I've shown the URL again here. Thank you very much for watching this video.